I am so excited about my new Kitchen Witches Oracle of magical herbs, spices, and more. This is a printable oracle card deck that features 43 different herbs, spices, and kitchen ingredients that you may use in your kitchen witchery. I've also included an accompanying crystal for each ingredient that you can place on your kitchen altar while you're working with these, or to give a little bit of extra insight and information to a reading that you do with these cards. So I've included a little introduction about kitchen witchery, some information on working with this deck and how to make the most of working with these cards, and I've also included 6 different 3-card spreads that you can use for some insight, and it's kind of a framework for gathering information from your readings with the cards. So those are all here, and then of course the 43 different herbs, spices, and ingredients. And I've done this in kind of like a fun watercolor style. Each ingredient is labeled on this cute little cauldron design, and the ingredient is shown on the card, so you have a representation of that. And then, as I said, a corresponding crystal for each and some of the main keywords and properties. So you can use this as a recipe deck, you can use this as grimoire pages, or you can use it as an oracle card deck. So I've printed these out on some heavy-duty cardstock, which will make them really long-lasting. And I did these 4 to a sheet. The digital download file has a printable version ready to go with 4 per page if you would like to use that, or there's a full page version if you want to print these out for your Book of Shadows or grimoire. I also printed out a little mini pocket size version of the deck, which is still easy enough for me to read, and these are really cute, super fun, nice little mini travel deck. So I hope that you will give these a look. They are available now through my website, loveandlightschool.com